How easy or difficult is it for you to get a basic kurta stitched? Hi, welcome back to our series on fashion and styling. This video is a very basic guide to get any kurta made. Whether you go to a good boutique or any tailor master, all these points are gonna be so useful. So do stick with me till the end. The first thing to be taken care of while buying any outfit is your innerwear. Now that would be your bra or if you wear any shapewear. So if you're going to get a new kurta made or going to get something ready made, then make sure that your innerwear fits you perfectly and should be the same as what you plan to wear finally beneath that outfit. Then the most important point is how much fabric to buy. It's a cliche that a lady's shirt or a kurta would require 2.5 meters of fabric. Usually that's what the shopkeeper would recommend too. But it's the kurta style that is the deciding factor behind how much fabric would be required. If you want to get a short kurti made, then you would need lesser than 2.5 meters. Whereas if you want a really long one or even a calf length kurta, then decide that first and then buy the fabric accordingly. Don't forget to calculate the fabric for the sleeves as per their design. If you want to get simple sleeves, then those can be managed from the side fabric. But if you want something stylish and exaggerated, then you would need extra fabric for those. Sometimes it's not possible to save any fabric from the sides while making a plus size kurta. So in that case, you can decide as per your body size if you would require any extra fabric for the sleeves. Same goes for any A-line kurta, which also requires extra fabric for the sleeves. If you want to get some Kalida kurta made, then also you would need more fabric. So often clients bring in 2.5 meter fabric and then would pick a fully flared style and would insist to make the same thing out of their fabric. That's just not possible and you will have to understand that. Then you will have to choose a fabric and its pattern as per the style that you want to get made. If you want to get any flowy style, then you would buy georgettes or chiffons. If you're getting an absolutely casual one made, then you can go for cottons. But if you're planning some party wear, then you would look for something more formal. Now that you have bought the fabric, let's come to the kurta's details. You have to decide the neckline as per the style that you want, the fabric that you have bought, and as per your choice. Band neck or a simple round neck are the most common in kurtas. You can have a placket in the front or some buttons with either of these necklines. And if you are fond of deep and broad necklines, then you can have that as well. But keep the back neckline to 0, means keep its depth to the minimum. Because usually women don't carry any dupatta or a scarf with a kurta. So in that case, a kurta with a low neck at the back too would look more like a suit, and that's gonna look weird without a dupatta. In fact, it won't even look like a kurta, it's gonna be a shirt. Then you also need to mention to the tailor master if you require any particular darts for better fit as per your body type, or if you would like to have some panels. Some women are really fond of princess panels and just won't wear a kurta or a suit without them. So it's important to mention this beforehand. If you like any special finishings in your kurtas, like a contrast facing in the slits or some fancy buttons, or if you want some lace, then it has to be mentioned beforehand. Even the tiniest of construction details like pockets, pintex, gathers, collars, or even the placket style has to be decided beforehand. Then lastly, does your kurta need any lining or not? What lining do you prefer, like cotton or cotton taffeta? Some people like a very fine synthetic lining as well. This gives a very nice flow to any fabric. I would like to specifically mention here that all of you who have been getting your own clothes made since a while, you all don't need this video at all, because these would be very basic guidelines for you. This video is only for those people who cannot find the right person to guide them, or nobody tells them things so clearly, and they are completely dependent on their tailor and remain dissatisfied in the end. or they are just not able to figure out how to get the outfits of their choice made perfectly and then end up wearing whatever ready-made stuff they can get their hands on. So I hope this video is gonna be helpful to you, and I would love to hear from you in the comments below. Also, this video is already available in Hindi on my channel if you would prefer watching it in Hindi. And if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel or aren't following my profile yet, then please do so now. Thank you so much for watching.